return. Welcome to the world famous Jungle River Cruise. I am your skipper, your tour guide, and your swimming coach. My name is Alex. Hello. 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 So this is a water attraction. You may get wet. Be careful of your electronic devices and thus please supervise your child. Last but not least, hand and elbow must be inside my bowl. So not even on the gray area or on the fence because the crocodile can smell us. And during the whole journey, please be seated. Don't change your seat. Don't stand up. Okay, we are going on an adventure. Are you ready? Yes. Yes, very good. Anyone know what is this? This building? This building? No? It's Tarzan's yes. But Tyson went on vacation and not back yet, so you cannot visit him today. Maybe next time you came here, he's back, you can take the route to visit him. And do not swim to him, you're not gonna swim faster than the crocodiles. Our trip is 10 exciting days and 5 romantic nights. The baby elephant and his mother are already waiting for us, learning to use his charm. Very cute. And here is his brother. He really likes to bath, that's why he has so many wrinkles. You don't want to be like him. Remember, don't laugh too long. And that one in the front is their father. And he likes to play water with you guys. Let's go. Okay. 2, 1. I'm just joking. We're not getting anywhere. We are now going to the 18th temple. The biggest horses. Spiders here. They can jump 10 feet. Luckily, we are only 10 feet away from them. They will jump across and not on my board. And this is the Ganesha elephant god. His guardian is King Cobra. If you can't see clearly. One more is here. Careful, everything in this jungle wants to bite us, and if they want to, they probably can. And speaking of being, we have arrived at the crocodile. Look at them both and they're shouting. Please sit down. Please sit down. Thank you. Oh, in the front is Professor Porter and Jane Careside. But it's taken over by gorillas, so if you're wearing yellow, don't make any sounds like bananas. Whoa! But I want to stay with cats, so dangerous. Hope it didn't hit my boat. If it hit my boat, we can sing Titanic together and then sing together. And we have arrived to Africa. We have zebra, giraffe, and the second most fierce animal in this jungle, the African elephant. And here is the most fierce one, his wife. They have 6,000 kilograms. It will be a piece of cake for them to knock down. Whoa. Didn't brush his teeth, so smelly. Remember to brush yours, don't be like him. Okay, you guys are very great. I have so many schools. You see, it's all full of them, all so tiny. I think they're all children's head. They must be getting into the headhunters village. Be quiet a minute. Oh, that was only close. Are you guys okay? Is your head still here? Make sure it's still here, okay? Still here. Very good. Because I'm bringing you back to the dark and escape from this dangerous forest very, very soon. Just a little bit of water, no worry, we'll go straight and then we can go back and walk. Ah, okay, let's change another way. Wow, this is so crazy. Okay, change another way and we should be fine. Oh, maybe not very good. Let's go back to the headhunters and I think they're more friendly. I think it's 50 time every day before I go home.